Hello guys, welcome back. In front of me is a Xiaomi 12 and today I'll show you how to hard reset this device through recovery mode. This will also remove a screen lock if you have one you don't know. I have a pattern set and I'll proceed as though I don't know it. Let's get started by holding the power key and selecting power off. Once the device turns off, hold power and volume up at the same time. When you see the My logo, let go of the keys and it will boot into recovery mode. Use the volume keys to navigate down to wipe data, confirm with power, then select wipe all data and confirm again. Once data wipe is successful, select power to reboot. The process will take about 2 minutes to finish. Once completed, you'll see the Android setup screen and can set up your device however you like. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.